Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometry degree tables. We will start by focusing on the 5 most important angles: 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. These foundational values are crucial for understanding the entire unit circle. You will discover simple patterns that make memorization much easier. By the end, you will have effective strategies to confidently recall these essential trigonometric values for various applications. Let's explore a fantastic hand trick to quickly find sine and cosine values. Hold your left hand up, palm facing you. Assign your thumb to 90 degrees, index to 60, middle to 45, ring to 30, and pinky to 0 degrees. To find sine, count the fingers below the folded finger, take the square root and divide by 2. For cosine, count fingers above, take the square root and divide by 2. This visual method makes recall effortless. Now let's tackle tangent values. Remember, tangent is simply the sine of an angle divided by its cosine. Once you've mastered sine and cosine, finding tangent becomes straightforward. For example, at 45 degrees, sine and cosine are both root 2 over 2, so tangent is 1. At 30 degrees, tangent is 1 over root 3, or root 3 over 3. At 60 degrees, tangent is root 3. This relationship simplifies memorization significantly. Consistent practice is key to solidifying your knowledge of the trigonometry degree table. Dedicate a few minutes each day to writing out the table without looking at notes. Apply these values to solve geometry and physics problems, reinforcing their practical use. Consider using flashcards or interactive online tools for quick recall exercises. The more you practice, the more intuitive these values will become, ensuring long-term retention and confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.